Guys, today we're gonna be trying a new filter. Shh. Ew, guys, this is bad. Oh, oh, guys, this is so bad. Guys, I'm so sorry. I see lots of other YouTubers trying as well. This is the thing, guys. Guys, I'm sorry. I probably no. Guys, I'm sorry, but this time we're gonna go full mode. This time, guys, we're gonna try again and again and again and again. Guys, this is not always guaranteed to be seen. Okay, guys, miss me. Guys, watch this. Watch. Now I know how you do it, well. Bye, guys. Take care. That's all that I'm